When I was younger, back at school, I used to have a huge problems talking to people, starting a conversation with them. Any social interaction with people that I don't know was a nightmare. But today, it's way better, I cracked the code, and in this series I'd like to guide you through that hell so you can easily speak to people as well. Welcome to the Communication Academy. In this episode we are going to speak about the way we look and how it affects our communication. Before we start, I'd like to ask you a question. Do you think that our look, our behavior can affect how other people perceive us, ergo how we are doing in a small talk? Do you think that the way we look can help us to talk to people better? Leave a comment down below. I'd like to start a conversation with you, so please let me know. You must look good, so people want to talk to you more. And no, I'm not talking about the natural beauty that we are just given at our birth. I am talking about the things that you can affect. So the way you clothe, the way you use your body and body language to convey messages, certain messages. The first point we are going to speak about is confident and respectful body language. So, you are sending messages to the world, to the people that you are, that are looking at you, that are seeing you. And those messages can say that you trust yourself and that you want to have a conversation and you are a nice person, but it also can say that you are not worth talking to. And you want to eliminate those negative messages and deliberately use the positive ones. So how to do it? Very important first thing is eyes and head. Don't look to the ground, don't look to the ground, look people in the eyes. When you are passing them on a street, look them in the eyes. When you are talking to them and you are listening to them, look in their eyes. The second point is your shoulders. Don't have slouched shoulders, have confident shoulders. Expose your chest and show that you trust yourself. Make yourself a bigger person. And when you are moving around, when you are moving with your hands, don't do too fast movements. Try to take your time. It's rooted in an evolution, so the slower you move, the better you can communicate with people. So we are in the middle of the video. If you like it so far, please like the video so the algorithm knows it's a good video and it spreads to more people. I'd be very happy if you do that. Thank you very much. And we are going to the point number 2. So the point number 2, take care of yourself. Physically, mentally, and the outer part of the body means clothing. So, the first one, physical, exercise. It has so many advantages that I don't know where to start. You will look better, you will feel better, you will feel more confident, so it will help you in communication, and I could go on and on. Try to do anything that is physical so your mind wanders, so your body thrives, and I will just leave it like this. So important, so go out and exercise. And you will also have more opportunities to talk to people, which is another advantage of that. Mental well-being, psychological well-being, it's something so important as well. It's way more subtle than the physical one, but it enormously helps you in communication. Let me paint you a picture. You are sad about something, angry about something, and you don't do anything about it. It's eating you from the inside, and what's eating you from the inside is somehow showing on the outside. It's showing by your vibe, by the way you could also call that an energy, something like that, and people can pick up on that. And when they feel that you are not alright, they don't want to talk to you. So, and when you do something to reduce that inner tension, you will have much nicer vibe, much happier vibe, and people will want to spend more time with you. So take care of you mentally. So write down, go for a walk, talk to people, do something to ventilate what's inside that and is eating you. And the last point is clothing. I know it can be a controversial one, but the way you dress also affects people and the way they perceive you. So if you want to be well perceived, You definitely want to have your own style, your own uniqueness and authenticity in that, but please have a clean clothes, fitting clothes, not smelly one, not dirty one, because if you do, people will think less of you. It's horrible to say that, but unfortunately it's true, so try to think of that. That's it for today, thank you very much for your attention. In the next video we are going to speak still about sending out messages, but already in a social interaction. When you are in an interaction, in a conversation, you still send some messages and you want to control them to some extent, and we are going to speak about that next time. Meanwhile, there is a great video that YouTube thinks that is more suitable for you. Please check that out, and I will see you next time. Bye.